Hey designers, I hope you're doing well. So in this video, I will be tackling my kitchen. I'm going to declutter and organize my kitchen drawers and cabinets just to make my kitchen a little bit more functional. Therefore, if you're looking for organizing and decluttering ideas, please stick around and watch this video. As you can see, my drawers are a mess. They're disorganized. My cabinets are a complete disaster. My canned goods are all over the place. I have items in there that are expired that needs to be thrown out. So I will be tackling these areas. As you can see here that my drawer liner is dirty. I need to, wipe the bottom of my drawer, clean it up, wipe it down just to make it all sanitized and freshen up the space, because if you have drawers that smell, that also add to the overall odor of the kitchen. So I highly recommend that you wipe them down and freshen the space. In order to organize my utensil drawer, I went ahead and purchased these organizers from Target. They're part of the Threshold collection. They're really affordable and budget friendly. The big utensil holder is $12.99 and the others are $6.99, and I believe the other one is $5.99. So if you're looking for something that's affordable to organize your drawers, these are perfect. I decided to throw out my old utensils. They're all mismatched and scratched up and old, so I wanted to get rid of them and make everything cohesive and uniform, which creates more of a zen and calmness in my kitchen. When things mismatch, you feel kind of out of order, things are disorganized. So to make things all organized, make sure everything is matching, all the colors are coordinating, and that will make your kitchen appear more organized and more functional. Up next is this drawer. I usually store my kitchen towels, batteries, and other items that I use in the kitchen in this drawer, but to make it a little bit more convenient for me, I'm going to turn it into my spice rack drawer. Now I'm going to take all my spices that are above in the cabinets and put them in this drawer, which is below, because I'm only 5'2". So for me to tiptoe just to see what spices are stored in the back is a little bit of an inconvenience for me. So to make it more convenient and functional for me, I decided to turn this drawer into my spice rack drawer. I purchased these 4-ounce spice jars on Amazon. I wanted to transfer all my spices into these jars just to make them more organized and functional for my kitchen. I also purchased these spice jar labels on Amazon. They're simple, elegant, and they're very minimalist, which is the look I'm going for. So it makes organizing my spice jars so much simpler and fun. I also decided to organize my spice jars alphabetically, which will make it much more simpler and easier to find my spices. So I really think that's a great idea as well when you're organizing your spices, to organize them alphabetically. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like, oh yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about, yeah, you got me feeling some type of way. Up next is my cabinets. I'm going to take down all my canned goods, some of the grains that are open that I no longer use, and then I'm going to wipe down the shelves, sanitize, freshen up the cabinet, and then I'm going to restack the canned goods, organize everything so my cabinets could be a little bit more functional. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you. I know I'm acting stupid, but being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, 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 now, trip, trip, trip. Oh, flick that switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. You make me feel so young. Oh, 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 oh. So take me on a trip, 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 trip. Oh, flick that switch, kill the lights. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. Make me feel so young. I know we're acting stupid, maybe just a little bit foolish. Just go a little crazy and lose it. It's the only way we know how to do it. Kill the lights. So last on my list is my container cabinet. This is where I throw all my plastic containers. I hate this cabinet. I also have my George Foreman grill stored in here as well as my waffle grill. So I wanted to clean it up, you know, freshen the space, deodorize it, and reorganize it. So I'm going to throw out all my old plastic containers and keep it very simple and only keep the ones that I need. So that's it, guys. I'm all decluttered and organized for the most part, not completely. I still have my laundry area to do. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you were able to get some great tips. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.